Hi there. Just wanted to give a quick review of my luggage that we purchased. 3 sets of luggage, and it was primarily for our Alaska trip and going on cruises, and we live down in Florida, so we went from Florida all the way up to Anchorage, and we were very happy with our luggage. All 3 of the suitcases, each of the sizes were fantastic, and they rolled well. And just to show you, right now the 3 suitcases are all inside, but they roll well. This one only has the big suitcase, so you can see how well it rolls, and the handle comes up very, very easily. We were also very happy with the locks on the side, and one of the things that our old luggage didn't have were the dual wheels. So we really liked the fact that the dual wheels helped in the rolling process, and it was very easy to walk around the airport holding on to the handles. All of the luggage handles come up to the same height, and so we were happy about that as well. So I just wanted to give an overwhelming comment of how much we liked our luggage. Thank you so much.